Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated comebacks in modern muscle car history, the 2026 Ford Mustang Boss 429. After years of rumors and speculation, Ford has finally brought back this legendary nameplate, and it's packing everything you'd expect from a modern muscle icon. Bold styling, a rumbling V8, and cutting-edge performance upgrades. Let's start with what catches your eye first. The exterior. The 2026 Boss 429 looks aggressive, right? Out of the box. Up front, it's got a revised, wider grille that pays tribute to the original Boss from the late 60s, flanked by sharp, angular LED headlights. The hood bulge is unmistakable, a functional ram air intake that screams power and heritage. Lower, vents and a sculpted front splitter hint at the car's high-speed intentions. Along the sides, you'll notice flared fenders that house massive 20-inch forged wheels, wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. Around back, the quad exhaust tips and a revised diffuser are framed by a darkened taillight panel and a subtle rear lip spoiler. The overall stance is low, wide, and menacing. Exactly what you want from a modern-day muscle machine. Inside, the 2026 Boss 429 is where retro inspiration meets modern luxury and tech. The cabin blends classic Mustang design, cues with premium materials and digital innovation. You get heavily bolstered Recaro sport seats wrapped in leather, and Alcantara, complete with Boss 429 embroidery. The flat-bottom steering wheel feels great in hand, and behind it sits a fully digital 12.4-inch instrument cluster, customizable with multiple drive modes. In the center, there's a new 13.2-inch Sync 5 touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system that delivers serious audio performance when you're not listening to the growl of the engine. That Ford hasn't cut any corners on performance either. Under the hood, the 2026 Boss 429 is powered by a naturally aspirated 7.3-liter V8, an evolution of the Godzilla engine, specially tuned to deliver a monstrous 645 horsepower and 625 lb-ft of torque. It's paired with either a 6-speed Tremec manual for the purists or an optional 10-speed automatic for those who want maximum performance on the street or track. The car rockets from 0 to 60 in just under 3.7 seconds and has a top speed north of 180 mph. To manage all that power, Ford's equipped it with Magnride adaptive suspension, upgraded Brembo brakes, and a new electronically controlled, limited-slip differential. It grips like a performance car should, but still delivers that raw, visceral feel you'd expect from a Boss Mustang. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Boss 429 isn't cheap, but it delivers serious value for what you get. The base model starts at around $78,000, and with a few key options, like the Track Performance Pack carbon fiber interior trim and upgraded audio, you're looking at somewhere closer to $85,000 fully loaded. It's positioned to rival the likes of the Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Red-Eye, and even take on some German sports coupes in terms of performance and road presence. So, is the 2026 Ford Mustang Boss 429 worth the hype? Absolutely. Ford has managed to build a car that honors its muscle car legacy while delivering modern-day power, technology, and refinement. Whether you're hitting the drag strip, carving up canyon roads, or just cruising through town, this Mustang demands attention and delivers the thrills. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.